Skin health and great sex go hand in hand. To enjoy sex to the max, you must have great skin. Most skincare ads sell through sex, but most of them focus on the face. And let's face it, no pun intended. Great face is fine, but it has very little to do with enjoying great sex, with the body and the genitals being far more important. Dr. Yuval Bibi, dermatologist, mission: break you out of the skincare matrix of stupid distractions and get you the best sexy skin of your life. First, a disclaimer: if you're experiencing any significant persistent sexual dysfunction, see your doctor for further assistance. This video is a great addition to the management of your health concerns with the help of your physician. It is not a substitute for personally tailored advice and prescription by your physician. So what is sex-ready skin? Sex-ready skin has great and intact skin barrier and is free of irritation, as well as unlikely to get irritated with pressure and friction, which are an inseparable part of the sexual intercourse. A big plus: the skin has to be generally in great shape so you can act with confidence, be attractive to your partner, maybe even inspire a partner to take better care of his skin. Now let's break these requirements down one by one. A great skin barrier starts with doing no harm, or at least as little of it as possible. Keep your skin barrier intact by minimizing what's called cleansing, using detergents on the skin like soaps, shower gels, body washes, cleansers, and their ugly cousins, the physically abrasive devices like the scrubs and the loofahs, the brushes, the washcloths, the exfoliating gloves. Even doing this with your hand, running it on the skin, moving water or a detergent along the skin. None of these practices are helpful in any way to the health of your skin. In fact, they are harmful. By default, they undermine your skin barrier, making your skin more sensitive, more delicate, more likely to get irritated upon friction or pressure. So these are practices that you're best off minimizing. Certainly the scrubbing, you have to scrub from your vocabulary altogether. But when you do use soap, maintain soaping to a minimum only under the skin folds where body odor is made, if that is a concern for you. So soap or shower gel or a body wash under the skin folds, armpits, groin, butt crack, and that's it. Do not use soap anywhere else. Do not worry about body odor. The skin does not produce stinky sweat anywhere else except for the skin folds. You will not smell. You could be sweating bullets before, during, or after sex, and the only smelly areas, if that, are going to be under the skin folds. Same goes for workouts, by the way, or any other instance or possibility of sweating profusely from head to toe. Also, break the bad habit of cleansing the vulva regularly. Soap and certainly scrubbing have no place on the vulva as cleansing methods. Avoid scrubbing altogether. Soap should only be used, and very conservatively at that, if you've had intercourse with a partner whose health status you're not clear about. You may use soap right after the intercourse. Regular soap will do. Do not use antibacterial soap along with lukewarm water to wash off the residue gently and be done with that. Restrict soaping to the outer parts, the mons pubis, the labia majora. Do not get inside the vagina with soap, as that will abrade and damage the mucosa, potentially setting you up for irritation and injury of the mucosa, possibly increasing the chances of catching any sexually transmitted disease. Rinse with lukewarm water only. Moisturize dry or sensitive skin with occlusive oil-based moisturizers such as Butter Oasis or Butter Blossom Moisturizing Balm. When it comes to your lips, right here, moisturize your lips. Never scrub the lips or exfoliate the lips. Just moisturize them as needed with the occlusives I mentioned. Moisturize the nipples regularly, as they do tend to get dry, and nipple eczema can become a problem, which is simply just annoying and certainly prevents you from having the best sex you deserve. Moisturization of the vulva with the occlusives that I mentioned, Butter Oasis or Butter Blossom, can be tremendously helpful, especially if you can't give up the silly practices of cleansing, using any kind of detergent on the vulva, certainly scrubbing before shaving, as many women do nowadays, You do need to compensate for these things, and moisturization is a great first step. Moisturization before, during, and after sex can prevent irritation from developing over the vulva. If you develop persistent irritation over the privates or anywhere else on the body, like burning, itch, pain, redness, flakiness, or pimples, consult your dermatologist to address and manage the problem immediately. When it comes to removing pubic hair, I'm not a big fan, as those hair removal practices are highly abrasive to the area, removing very important cushioning that the pubic hair provides, as well as opening the door for various types of infection, bacterial or viral, in the form of genital warts. However, if you must remove hair, do it in the gentlest way possible. Laser hair removal is a good one, waxing gently, shaving with a sharp razor and shaving foam or shaving gel. Never, ever, ever exfoliate the area before, after, or during shaving, or ever for that matter. That's a nonsensical, highly abrasive practice that will set you up to fail and sensitize the area altogether. When you're done shaving, especially when you're using a razor and shaving foam, rinse the product away, never rub it away, and moisturize after hair removal of any kind with the occlusives that I mentioned, Butter Oasis or Butter Blossom moisturizing balms. Generally, great looking skin will be hydrated and well moisturized, free of irritation, and not likely to get irritated. You'll have way more fun with it in the bedroom and outside the bedroom. Let me know in the comments how this improved your skin sex readiness. Also, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more no BS skincare advice. See you next time. God bless.